Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. So this is the part 2 for chapter 2, Differentiation. So for today's lesson you will learn about 3 techniques of differentiation. So the first technique is called product rule. The formula is given by y equal to uv, and the differentiation for using this product rule is given by u dv over dx plus v du over dx. The second technique is called quotient rule. The formula is given by y equal to u over v. So dy over dx is equal to v du over dx minus u dv over dx divided by v squared. The third technique is called chain rule. So the formula is given by dy over dx equal to dy over du multiplied with du over dx. So basically, the first technique is involving an equation that has multiplication. Okay? Melibatkan darab. Quotient rule melibatkan equation yang ada bahagi. Okay? So I will give you example for each technique. So we start with this question. Find dy over dx for y equal to 3x power of 2 plus 3 multiplied with x plus 3. So in this question, you have to follow this step to solve this question. The first step is please identify techniques of differentiation. Okay? So, kalau tengok sini, soalan ini melibatkan darab. So, the technique that we will use is the product rule. Okay? Melibatkan darab, the product rule. So, write the formula for product rule. Dy over dx is equal to u dv dx plus v du dx. Okay, after you identify which one formula that you will use, please write the formula for your reference. So if we follow the next step, step number 2, label u and v. So in this question, we will label the first bracket here as u and the second bracket for v. Now after you label u and v, the next step is for you to find the derivative for u and v. Find du dx, du over dx and dv over dx. So u is equal to 3x squared plus 3 and v is equal to x plus 3. Right, so find du over dx and dv over dx. So du over dx is equal to 6x and dv over dx is equal to 1. Okay, if you still remember how to differentiate the u and v, we use the basic rules of differentiation. For example, for differentiation of u, 3x power of 2 plus 3, the differentiation for 3x power of 2 using the basic rule of power rule, it will become 6x. Alright? And for differentiation of number 3, it will become 0. Now, after you differentiate du over dx and dv over dx, the next step is put all information into the formula of product rule. Okay, product rule. So dy over dx is equal to u. U is equal to 3x power of 2 plus 3 multiply with dv over dx, which is equal to what? Plus v x plus 3 multiply with du over dx, which is equal to 6x. Now solve this equation. Okay, you will get 3x power of 2 plus 3 plus 6x power of 2 plus 18x. Now simplify this equation, then you will get 9x power of 2 plus 18x plus 18x plus 3. Alright, for this question you will use the product rule, technique of differentiation using the product rule. So please follow this. Okay, the next example is find dy over dx. Find dy over dx for y equal to x minus 1 divided by 1 plus x. So follow this 4 step. The first step is identify technique of differentiation. So because it's equation involving a division, bahagi, so kita akan gunakan teknik quotient rule. Masih ingat quotient rule? Formulanya diberi oleh y equal to u over v. So dy over dx is v du over dx minus u dv over dx over v square. Itu adalah quotient rule. Alright, so we continue with the solution for the question. Okay, so after you identify technique of differentiation, please write down the question rule. So the question rule, the formula is given by y equal to u over v and dy over dx is equal to v du over dx minus u dv over dx divided by v squared. So this is the formula for quotient rule. Quotient rule. Alright, so the next step is label u and v. So in this question, we will label x minus 1 as u and 1 plus x as v and find the du over dx and dv over dx. This is step number 3. After you label u and v, find the derivative for u and v. So first we will write down the equation. U is equal to x minus 1 and the du over dx is equal to 1. Alright, v is equal to 1 plus x, so the dv over dx is equal to 1. Okay, I hope you still remember how to find the derivative for u and v. We use the basic rule of differentiation. Okay, if you still remember, if y equal to x power of n, then the dy over dx will be nx n minus 1. So in this question, x1 minus 1 is equal to x power of 0. So x power of 0 is equal to 1. That's why in this question, the derivative for u and v, you will get 1 for both u and v. Okay, so this is the basic rules of differentiation. Okay, so I don't have to write it down here. So we continue with the next step. Put all information into the formula. Okay, so we have the formula here. That's why you have to write down the formula for your reference, so it's easy for you to put all the information into the formula. So here we have dy over dx is equal to v, which is 1 plus x, 1 plus x, put it in the bracket, multiply with du over dx, which is equal to 1, here 1, minus u x minus 1, multiply with dv over dx. So dv over dx is equal to 1, divide by v square. So v square is equal to 1 plus x power of 2. Okay, so 1 plus x, 1 plus x minus x plus 1 divided by 1 plus x power of 2. Okay, simplify this equation. You will get 2 over 1 plus x power of 2. So this is the final answer for this question. Alright. So in this example, we use the question rule that involving 4 steps. I hope you can remember all these steps. So the first step is identify technique of differentiation. It is very important because sometimes in the question you have to choose the right technique because the information is not given in the question. Alright, we move into the next example. Find dy over dx for y equal to 2x plus 3 power of 3 using the chain rule. Okay, untuk soalan ini teknik sudah diberi, so you don't have to identify which one of the technique that you will use because it's already given in the question. All you have to do is write the chain rule formula first. So the first step in this question is write the chain rule formula. So the chain rule formula is given by dy over dx is equal to dy over du multiply with du over dx. Alright, this is the chain rule formula. Step number 2, label u and find the du over dx. So basically you find the derivative for u. So in this question, u will become 2x plus 3. So u equal to 2x plus 3. So the derivative for u is du over dx is equal to 2. Okay, is equal to 2. How to get the derivative equal to 2? Okay, you use the basic rule of differentiation. I will show you how I get 2 in this question. Okay, using the basic rule of differentiation. So 2 multiply with 1 x 1 minus 1 plus 0. So you will get 2. Okay, so this step actually involving a basic rule of differentiation that you already learned in part 1 of my class. So the basic rule of differentiation is given by y equal to x power of n. So the dy over dx is equal to nx n minus 1. Alright? Okay, I write it once again for you so that you can relate it with the solution that I give you here. So y equal to ax power of n. So the dy over dx is equal to nax n minus 1. So this is the basic rule of differentiation. I just want to show you once again how I get du over dx equal to 2. Alright, so the next step is label y and find the dy over du. Step number 3. Alright, so y equal to u power of 3. So you just replace the u with the equation of 2x plus t as u power of 3 and find the dy over du. So here we will get, using the basic rule of differentiation, you will get 3u power of 2. Alright? Using the basic rule. So step number 4, put all information into the formula. So just refer to your formula above and write down all the information. Put all information into the formula. So we have dy over dx is equal to dy over du, 3u power of 2 multiply with du over dx, which is equal to 2. Okay, so here we will get 6u power of 2. Now the final step is replace the u with the equation of u equal to ux plus 3. Okay, so 6u is equal to 2x plus 3 power of 2. So that will be the final answer for this question. Okay, you just replace the u with the actual equation. Alright, so this is called the chain rule formula. So here I already give you 3 different type of question that involving 3 different formula. Again, so the first example is using the product rule. The second example is involving a question rule, and the third example is involving the chain rule. Okay, so that's the end of part 2 of differentiation. So we will continue again in part 3 of topic of differentiation.